Plants cry for help. The smell of freshly cut grass is actually a plant distress signal, a cry for help from the mutilated greenery. When you mow your lawn, the scent that fills the air is the plant's way of signaling that it's under attack. These chemical compounds, known as green leaf volatiles, GLVs, are released to warn other plants of danger and to attract predators of the insects that might be causing the damage. It's fascinating to think that the aroma we often associate with summer and relaxation is a desperate plea from plants. They release these GLVs in an attempt to heal and protect themselves, initiating wound-sealing processes and even potentially summoning beneficial insects to their aid. Far from being just a pleasant scent, it's an urgent broadcast of injury. Imagine your garden rallying its defenses, a silent battle playing out each time the mower roars to life. The next time you take in that fresh-cut grass smell, remember, it's not just a fragrance, it's a symphony of survival, a complex communication system honed by nature. So, the next time you hit the yard, consider the hidden drama unfolding beneath your feet. That familiar scent is more than just a marker of a well-kept lawn, it's a testament to the resilience and intricate life of the plants we so often take for granted.